Hey guys, so today we will be writing our first virtual essay. So I'm going to walk you through what my expectations are, and then I am going to model how to write a good conclusion. So just how we've done before, you're going to study the prompt, you're going to read and tell me what you have to write about and type it right here. Then you are going to brainstorm your ideas where it says please type here. You're going to erase that and then you will type your brainstorms there. Introduction, you will go here, you write your hook, your two topic sentence, and then your reasons. And then your body paragraphs will go here. And then I am going to model your conclusion today. So in your conclusion, you need to have three things. You need to restate your topic, ask yourself how I can restate the prompt in my own words, connect your ideas, a personal experience, and end it with a powerful thought. Include something you've learned. So here, ask yourself how I can restate the prompt in my own words. Well, the prompt is write an essay about mistake you've made and explain what lesson you learned from it. So I have to think about how can I rewrite that in my own words. So I wrote, learning from our mistakes is key to not repeating our mistakes. So it's not the same prompt, I just restated in my own words. Next, connect your ideas, a personal experience. So I wrote, when I gave up on dance, I gave up on my dream. That is a personal experience to me. It was a mistake that I made when I was younger, and I really learned from it. And end with a powerful thought. Include something you learned. This mistake later taught me, by never giving up, you can accomplish great things. So this is my conclusion, so now I'm going to read it all. Learning from our mistakes is key to not repeating our mistakes. When I gave up on dance, I gave up on my dreams. This mistake later taught me, by never giving up, you can accomplish great things. So now what you're going to do for your guided practice is you're going to read this conclusion and tell me what is missing. We can always learn from our mistakes. They will help us. What is missing from here? Did they restate the topic? Connect your ideas, and with a powerful thought. Go ahead and you'll type out what you need. And then I also want you, what's missing? Then I also want you to give some feedback. I like that. And next time try to add. So you're going to go ahead and type that out here. Once you do that, then you're going to write your conclusion. And then congrats, you have finished your first virtual writing essay. I can't wait to hear your essays. I really miss reading your writing. So really try your best and type out every section and take your time. I can't wait. You will be graded on your conclusion today. I want to see, did you restate your topic? Did you connect your ideas? And did you end with a powerful thought? So I can't wait to read, and have a good day. Bye guys.